Question 3 on the Chapter 10 practice test in calculus is a little bit of a twist on the old geometric series question. So this says to find the function that's represented by this series for those values of x for which this series converges. Like every other series, there's a whole lot of knowledge that we can gain just by taking a look at the series expanded. So of course, looking at this expanded, we can tell that this is a geometric series. The first term is 1, and that geometric ratio is -1 multiplied by the quantity of x minus 3 to the 10. Of course, if a geometric series does converge, it's going to converge to the first term over 1 minus the ratio. We just need to substitute in those values. Now this problem says to find a function, so I feel pretty good about making this equal to an f of x. So what we see here is the first term 1 over 1 minus the ratio. Now this isn't the nicest looking function, so let's try to simplify this a little bit. First we'll take care of that -1 and make that 1 plus x minus 3 over 10. And then we'll work on a common denominator for the denominator. Combining terms in the numerator gives me 7 plus x over 10. And then taking the reciprocal, I get 10 over 7 plus x. So in the interval of convergence, the series is going to be equal to 10 over 7 plus x. And that pretty much does it with this question, and we'll see you next time for more AP Calculus on the Chapter 10 practice test.